In today's news, Ripple reveals over 30 countries that will be utilising XRPL in the next couple months, and banks like Citibank are shockingly becoming more and more active. As we can see here from the Black Swan Capitalist, central banks are buying gold at record highs during a rising interest rate scenario when historically they'd be selling. The reason for this is because of a tier 2 financial system that is being set up to return to a newer feudal model with the focus on commodities powered by blockchain proof. Here, that cryptocurrency will take over the new financial system. And next up we can see furthermore, the reason central banks in unison keep pushing for higher interest rates is not to control inflation, but rather to crush the economy, put pressure on the consumers and cut off credit to smaller businesses to fulfill the corporate agenda of crushing the middle class, making it harder for people like you and me to become financially free, which you can see here from Cyprus here in an updated document from Citibank. This document here showcases the future of cross-border payments and who will be moving 250 trillion in the next 5 years. And now, as we can see, they state that while the digital asset and blockchain revolution started with cryptocurrencies have now been all but dismissed as viable for payment use cases at scale. But they did give birth to 3 candidates: stablecoins, tokenized commercial bank money deposits, and CBDC, showcasing again that Citibank believes that assets like Bitcoin won't work at scale and are not viable, but assets like XRP that will be utilizing into CBDCs across the globe will take over the new financial system. And this is exactly why banks are holding meetings constantly talking about the use cases of cryptocurrencies, even though mainstream media are telling you that they're not. As we can see here, the Bank of Israel plans to go live in November 2023. And furthermore, RBI governor weighs in on CBDC implementation with Ripple and XRP. But the icing on the cake is this video here from the Crypto Geek showcasing James, a Ripple official, revealing over 30 countries that will be announcing their CBDC on the XRP ledger, possibly within the next couple of months, and very closely to what is said in this video.
I would tell you that outside of the US, the SEC case, had almost no impact on our ability to get conversations and projects going with central banks. I know here in the US we focus a lot on the US, that's what you'd expect, but the reality is that the rest of the world does not see things the same way. I think it's been clear for a while that countries like the UK and Switzerland and Japan have been very clear that XRP is not a security. So anyway, moving on to the CBDC side, it's not really been an impediment. Since we started 2.5 years ago on this project, we've announced 5 different countries that are working with us. We have a similar number that are not announced, and then we have 20 plus other active discussions underway. So we've announced 5 different countries that are working with us. We have a similar number that are not announced, and then we have 20 plus other active discussions underway. So
thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and until next time, Godspeed, good day and good night.